Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about topic what is software. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, what is basically a software? Basically friend, software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computer. Basically friend, whenever we talk about computer, it is a combination of two things, software and hardware. Hardware is basically, when we talk about it, basically described or related to physical aspects of a computer. For example, printer is a hardware, the mouse is a hardware, keyboard is a hardware, speaker is a hardware. So now if we talk about software, software related to anything which is related to set of instruction. For example, operating system is a software. The operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, all these are the operating system. Linux is another type of operating system. So the software which is running on a computer to operate the computer, to set of instruction through which we operate a computer, that is called as software. Like for example, Windows or Linux is an example of software. There are mainly two categories of software. For example, the application software and the system software. Application software means that any application software which provides you some application, which provides you some service. For example, you are using a mobile application to get the weather update, so it is a application software. Another type of software is, for example, the Microsoft Office. For example, Microsoft Word or Microsoft Presentation, any other software which is providing you some application, some outcome through which you can use it in your daily life. Okay, so this is called as the application software. Another software type is system software. System software means like the system related software. For example, the operating system is a type of system software, like for example Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Other types of software includes like programming software. Programming softwares are used to develop the programming, like for example the compilers, the tools which we use for programming. Okay, like programming means like the set of instruction for which we given to computer. For example, Java is a programming tool. uh, Python is another software tool, programming tool. Now if we talk about in detail application software, what is basically an application software? Application software is basically a software that provide a specific function to a user. Generally we use the software for some our general purposes, which includes, for example, Microsoft Office suite like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Presentation, graphics software, databases, database management programs, web browsers, word processors like Microsoft Word, software development tools, image editors, and communication platforms. For example, like Skype, WhatsApp. All these are the communication protocols like Zoom, uh, Microsoft TeamViewer. So all these are the types of application software. Then next is the system software. Basically, system softwares are those software which coordinates the activities and functions of the hardware and the software. Like for example, the operating system is the best example of the system software. For example, like Windows, Linux, Unix. So all these are the operating systems. Other examples include like firmware, computer language translation, and system utilities. Then driver software. Driver software means that which basically control the devices and peripherals connected to the computer. Best example of driver softwares are, like for example, the game controllers, as well as the software that enables standard hardware such as USB, keyboard, mouse, headphones, printers. Normally, I'm sure if you are working in any organization, you will definitely see that if you want to use a printer, so you have to first install the driver of that particular printer on the computer, then you can use the printer. So the driver software, the best example of driver software the is the printer or keyboard or mouse. Then the programming software. Computer programming use programming software to write codes. Programming softwares and programming tools enable developers to develop, write, test, debug, and other software programs. The example of programming tools, programming softwares are assemblers, compilers, debugger, or and interpreters. So all these are the types of the programming software. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.